As stress and anxiety taking over your life during menopause, you are not alone. The hormonal shifts in menopause can heighten stress, trigger anxiety, and make it harder to cope. But the good news? You can take control. Today, I will share 11 science-backed ways to beat menopause stress and anxiety so you can feel calm, confident, and in control again. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Magdalena. I am biologist and menopause coach, and I help women reach and maintain their healthy weight, boost energy levels, relieve menopause symptoms, and prevent disease. So, number 1, move your body daily. Exercise is my favorite way to reduce anxiety and improve mood. It's a natural mood booster. Exercise helps with anxiety by releasing endorphins that boost mood, distracting from worries, improving sleep, and reducing stress hormones. A few years ago, when I was struggling a lot with anxiety and stress during perimenopause, walking and running were my favorite ways to cope. For managing anxiety and stress, any regular physical activity can be beneficial, but walking, yoga, swimming, and dancing are particularly effective and accessible. Walking, a simple and accessible activity that can be done almost anywhere. Walking offers both physical and mental health benefits. Yoga. Combining gentle movement with mindful breathing, yoga can help reduce stress hormones and promote relaxation. Swimming. A low-impact exercise that's easy on the joints, swimming can provide a mental escape and reduce stress and anxiety. Dancing. A fun and energetic activity that can boost your mood and improve overall well-being. Other helpful exercise. Running. Can help regulate mood and reduce anxiety. Hiking provides a calming effect of being in nature in addition to the benefits of exercise. Weightlifting can help build strength and confidence, which can be beneficial for managing anxiety. Whether it's walking, yoga, strength training, or dancing, moving your body reduces stress hormones and release endorphins. Even 10 minutes a day can make a difference. Aim to exercise most days of the week. But even small amounts of physical activity can be helpful. Being active for short periods like 10 or 15 minutes at a time throughout the day will add up. Prioritize quality sleep. Menopause can disrupt sleep with night sweats, anxiety and depression, joint pain, bladder problems and stress. And poor sleep makes stress and anxiety worse by messing with your emotions, increasing cortisol levels, and making your brain more sensitive to anxiety. This can create a vicious cycle where stress makes it harder to sleep, and lack of sleep increases stress. So here's what you can do to improve sleep. Establish a consistent sleep routine by going to bed and waking up at the same time daily. Create a cool, dark, and quiet sleep environment with comfortable bedding. Manage stress with reading, music, or gentle stretches. Limit screen time, turning off blue light devices an hour before bed. Avoid caffeine in the afternoon and evening. Avoid alcohol and nicotine at night. Exercise in late afternoon, but stop 90 minutes before sleep. Allow enough time to wind down. Eat magnesium-rich foods. And consider supplements like magnesium glycinate, valerian root, or chamomile tea. Balance blood sugar. Blood sugar spikes and crashes can worsen anxiety and mood swings. Avoid refined carbs and sugars and focus on whole food plant-based foods rich in fiber. This keeps your blood sugar stable, reducing stress and improving overall mood. Get enough magnesium. Magnesium is a natural stress reliever. It helps calm the nervous system and relieve anxiety. Leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains are excellent sources. You can also take magnesium supplement before bed for better relaxation and sleep. Reduce caffeine. Caffeine can trigger anxiety and disrupt sleep, making stress worse. Try swapping your morning coffee for matcha or herbal tea for a gentler, more calming energy boost. My favorite drink in the morning is matcha latte with soy or oat milk. L-theanine, a key component of matcha, is known for its calming effects on the brain and nervous system. Unlike some other substances that promote relaxation, L-theanine helps induce a state of calm and focus without causing drowsiness or sedation. Studies suggest that L-theanine may increase the levels of neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, which are known to have calming and mood-enhancing effects. Although matcha contains caffeine, the L-theanine helps to balance the stimulating effects of caffeine, promoting a more balanced and less jittery energy boost. Reduce alcohol. Alcohol can worsen anxiety by disrupting brain chemistry, particularly affecting neurotransmitters like GABA, which normally promotes relaxation, and glutamate, which can increase anxiety. The initial calming effect of alcohol can lead to rebound effect of increased anxiety as the alcohol wears off. Breathe and meditate. Deep breathing and meditation are powerful stress relievers. Try 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. Doing this daily can instantly lower anxiety levels. Eat more omega-3s. Omega-3s helps regulate mood and reduce inflammation, which is linked to stress. Flaxseed, walnuts, and chia seeds are great plant-based sources. Adding these to smoothies or oatmeal can support brain health and emotional balance. Additionally, you can get an omega-3 supplement from algae. It can be a better choice than fish oil because fish is often contaminated with heavy metals or other chemicals. Support your gut health. Your gut and brain are connected. A healthy gut supports a balanced mood. Eat probiotic-rich foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and plant-based yogurts, miso, and increase probiotic fiber with bananas, onions, and garlic. Practice gratitude and journaling. Shifting your focus to what's going well can lower stress instantly. Start each day by writing down 3 things you are grateful for. This simple habit can help rewire your brain for positivity and resilience. Use adaptogenic herbs. Adaptogens help your body adapt to stress. Ashwagandha, rhodiola, and maca root are particularly beneficial for menopause-related anxiety. They help lower cortisol and support overall hormonal balance. Connect with others. You don't have to go through this alone. Connecting with friends, family, or a menopause support group can ease anxiety. Even talking to someone who understands can lift your spirits and reduce stress. Seek help. If anxiety is starting to affect the way you are living your life, it's important to find help. A good first step in seeking help for anxiety is to see your general practitioner, GP. GPs treat problems like depression and anxiety all the time. They can offer guidance or referrals to specialists. Consider talk therapy, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, that can help you identify and manage anxious thoughts and behaviors. Now, I want to hear from you which of the stress-relieving tips you're going to try first. Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share with another woman who may be struggling with stress and anxiety. And if you want more natural ways to feel amazing in menopause, watch this next video and I will see you there.